Want to supercharge your workflow by instantly turning Google Form submissions into Jira tickets? Let's dive in. First, create your Google Form. Think of it as your data collection hub. What information do you need? Title your form clearly, add a description, and then meticulously add those fields: names, email addresses, detailed descriptions, priority levels. Works. Make sure to enable collect email addresses under the settings. Next, head over to the Responses tab in Google Forms. We'll need a way to see the gathered data. Select the Create Spreadsheet option. This spreadsheet beautifully organizes every submission. Get familiar with the data and prepare it for automation. Now, install the Jira Cloud for Google Workspace add-in. You'll find this through the Google Workspace Marketplace, directly within your Google Sheets. Once installed, open your spreadsheet that houses all the submissions. With the add-in installed, go to Extensions greater than Jira Cloud for Google Workspace and select Create Ticket. You'll likely be prompted to link your Jira account to Google Sheets. Authorize as needed. After that, you will be prompted to configure the setup. You'll be asked about your Jira project. If you have multiple projects, choose the right one. Then, carefully map each Google Form field to a corresponding Jira field. For example, match your Google Form description field to the Jira description field. Addon even allows you set a JQL filter. Finally, time for testing. Submit a test form entry. Go back to your spreadsheet and watch the magic. After a few seconds, your Jira ticket should appear, populated with the information from your form. From now on, your data is being managed